Welcome to the 6th craft episode. Today I will be showing you how to make a sandwich book. It is small, colorful, and it'll be fun to make. You'll need markers, a pencil, scissors, stapler, glue, 3 small sheets of black construction paper, 4 small sheets of light brown paper, 2 small sheets of green, 2 of red, 2 of yellow, 2 of dark brown. These should be 4.5 by 6 inches. The black sheets are 5 inches by 8 inches each. The first step. Grab the black sheets of construction paper and fold them hamburger style. You'll then staple them in the middle. The following step is grabbing the 4 light brown small pieces of paper. Draw a slice of bread only on the first page. You'll cut out the shape you made next. After that, outline the slice of bread drawing. And add details to make it look more like bread. Flip the second sheet you're gonna work on and make an outline of bread there too. You'll repeat those steps for the 2 other small light brown sheets of paper. Grab the 2 sheets of green paper next and draw lettuce on the first page. Then cut out the shape of the lettuce. After cutting out the shape of the lettuce, outline both green sheets of paper. And add details. Make sure you flip the second green paper before outlining it. Get the 2 red construction paper next and draw tomatoes on the first page. Then cut out the outside shape of the tomatoes. You'll probably know the next procedure by now. Outline the tomatoes and add details on both sheets of red paper. A reminder, make sure you flip the second red sheet before drawing tomatoes on it. Let's do cheese next. Draw a slice of cheese on the yellow paper. And cut it out. Outline the cheese on the first yellow sheet. Flip the second yellow paper first, then outline a slice of cheese on it. Grab the 2 dark brown papers. Draw a meat patty on the first page. Cut it out. Outline the meat patty on one. Flip the other dark brown sheet and then outline a meat patty on it. Gluing time. Grab the slices of bread. Glue the first bread on the front page. Glue the second on the other side of that first bread. Glue the third bread at the back of the book. Glue the last bread opposite of that third bread. Glue the front and back sheets of cheese on the next blank page after the first page of bread. For the following blank page, glue the front and back sheets with meat patty on them. After that, glue the front and back sheets of tomatoes on the next blank black page. The last blank black page would have the front and back pieces of lettuce. On to the final step. Cut out the spots where you see the black construction paper, especially on the page with the lettuce on it. The finished product is this. The cover is a slice of bread. You got cheese, meat patty, tomatoes, lettuce, and the slice of bread for the back cover. I hope making this was as enjoyable for you as it was for me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.